Hello friends, we are back again to Manga Explain 7. So let's start. Last night, Commander Hunk of the Bay City Military Region sent Captain Shan to negotiate with me. They have taken control of several refrigerated warehouses to store both survivors rescued from isolation hospitals and live zombies. A gunfire, that's gotta be them. But what went wrong? That's where only 30 or so zombies locked up in cold storage, barely mobile in those freezing temperatures. But they posted half a platoon there. And our heroes thinking the cold could keep the zombies sluggish and they found it so soon. I'm surprised. But there's no way they could have known that extreme conditions increase the risk of mutation. Suburban cold storage, mutated zombies, huh? Wait, could it be the suburban bombing site? Maybe. Move, we need to check it out. Perfect, another mutation. What is this time? Grenades, aim for the mouth and throw. No, don't charge in like that. Bang, bang. Hey, our weapons are not making a dent. Break into smaller squids and spread out the distract. Captain Son, the Supreme Commander. He is Captain Son. Hold the line until reinforcement arrive. Copy. Captain, pull your man back. Case fire immediately. Sophia, what do you mean? I mean, don't throw lips away. You can't hurt the monsters. Fall back before your men get torn apart. Have your troops protect the cold storage workers and the hospital survivors. Get them out now. We can't, ma'am, we can't. That thing's fast. No one's getting out unless someone holds it off. Lily. Just do as I say. Don't worry about the monsters. Someone will take care about. And we can see our hero. It grabbed me like I was nothing and nearly dislocated my arm. It's become so powerful. Seems like I can't handle it by force. And we can see very big zombies in front of our hero and attacked. Turn around. What the hell? Are you keeping a monster? What, Captain? That's not a monster, that's a person. He's my partner. Don't eat that, okay? It will be a waste. And we can see our hero intensive look. Evolution Devour. System prompt. Devour completed. Large quantity of frozen beef consumed. System prompt. Backlight virus evolved. And our MC's power increased. That was top grade weave. Energy restored. Level up achieved. The monster is trying to replenish but looks like it can't hold on anymore. Now it's your turn to die. Our hero said that. Boom, boom. Right on time. Yeah. That's good. And our captain just shocked to see it. No way. No evolution. It can't be human. It can't be human. It's human. Yeah, while these two freaks are down. Hello. It's on here. Our reinforcement is position. I am requesting missile strike. Coordinates are. And that time our ma'am said, Sophia, come down, Captain, come down. Think he's helping us and he just saved your life, okay? Don't make a reckless move. You will only make things worse for all of us. Understood, officer? And our chapter is ended. So if you like it, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.